Hello guys and hello guys, this is Shubhankar Yadwar this side. Welcome to this short vlog. Here I am recording this video to inform you that there will be no videos of me studying from 7th of January 2025, that is tomorrow, until 11th of January 2025, which is Saturday. As I am going on a short trip out of Mumbai, and as soon as I return on 11, the videos of studying as well as of the short trip will be continued to be would be uploaded from that day onwards. And on my return, I'll also continue to upload the videos of the Gujarat trip which I had in the month of January December 2024. So till then, stay tuned and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, The Studying Library Live. So see you on 13th. So see you on 13th. Thank you.